Installing the Userpilot Chrome extension will allow you to build directly onto your own pages. Once you have it installed, let's launch it and take a look at what it is. Once it's launched, the builder will appear directly at the bottom of the screen and you're ready to go. First, navigate to the page that you want to build on and click Create a New Experience. Keep in mind that we recommend building experiences per view. Now you'll click Create, select your theme. Once you've selected your theme, you're ready to add a step. Here, we've provided brief explanations on when to best use each of these different patterns. And we also offer actions like time delays, page refreshers, scroll position, and page changes. There are other videos that explain in more detail how each of these works. Let's keep exploring our builder. The first button you'll see is Publish. Once you've built the entire experience and you're ready to go into settings, this will lead you to your dashboard where you can identify the different settings that you would like to place on this experience. And we also have a video that goes into the details on how to best choose your settings. You can preview your experience without leaving the builder. You can also auto-translate any of the experiences that you build into the many languages we have available to you. When you select the pencil, you can modify the name of the experiences. This will help you later on when you're trying to identify which experiences you've built for what, and also when you're ready to connect experiences to each other, it makes identifying them a lot easier. And last but not least, the button that you have all the way on the left-hand side is a list of the experiences that you've built, and that way you can pull them up right from the builder so that if you want to modify an experience, you can come straight here, launch it, and edit and modify it any way that you see fit. You can also create a new experience from here, and if you're ready to exit the builder, all you have to do is click Exit, and now you can start previewing your experiences that you have set live. All right, that is an explanation on your Chrome extension. Install the Chrome extension and start building directly on your pages. Bye!